So I have a good quality speaker that I would like to share with you guys. So today we are going to be looking at the iFox IF012 Bluetooth shower speaker. Now there is an iFox IF013, which is a number above, but today we're just going to be looking at this bad boy. So little unboxing here. You will get the speaker, obviously, right out of the box. Amazing. This little card here, it shows me that I have 1 year warranty, which is amazing, you know. And if you take this little cover off, you will see a micro USB, which is standard for, you know, charging such electronics. And you will also get a little clipper, so you could pretty much take the speaker anywhere that you want to go, such as hiking trips, to the beach, to your friend's house, and whatnot. It only has one port, which is just the charging port. Now this is a bit important just for the fact that it's a shower speaker, so not many ways that the water could get inside, which is good. So the way you connect this device is via Bluetooth. It does say version 4.1, which is, I believe that's like the minimum. And it does have this white filled buttons. Well, as you can see right here, this is the micro USB with this rubbery cover, which is good because, like I said, the water won't get in it. A big suction cup, really good. And like I said, it does have white filled buttons, which means that the symbols have texture to it, so you can feel the buttons if you aren't able to look at what the buttons you'll be pressing. Very easily you can connect it, clip it onto your, I don't know, belt. People do that, and backpack as well. Now this iFox shower speaker is a great portable speaker. It's not just water resistant, okay? It could be fully immersed in water up to 3 feet. Now, I'm not sure why you want to do that, but, you know, it's possible. The thing that I like about this is that the speakers are not facing towards you. It's actually in the back where the suction cup is. This is not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing. Reason being is because you're going to put this on a flat surface, whether it be a window, as you saw, a mirror, or some tiles, wherever the case be. It's gonna help amp the volume of the speaker. So you have this rich, deep bass, and it gets pretty loud, especially in the bathroom for me, because I have like tiles of it on the walls, so it really amplifies the sound. So it connects to your devices easily and fast. No apps, no external software. Just turn it on. Turn on your Bluetooth and let it do its thing. For me, it showed as my speaker Fox IF 0112, I believe. Let me go ahead. Okay, my speaker F012. So it's easily recognizable. And so, like I said, it's portable and ready to go wherever you want to go. The sound is really solid and really good. Keep in mind the price and the size of this thing. Now, its battery life, it's claimed to be up to 10 hours and recharge in under 3 hours. Personally, I didn't use it more than 2 hours at a time, but I was able to use it like 3 to 4 times before I needed to charge it. Okay? And they have a 100% money back guarantee, so, you know, test it out. No risks. Get your money back if you don't like it. Here is a small clip of the audio of this speaker. Look, I love bass, which is why I really enjoy this product. And one of the reasons I wanted to do this video is that I have had this speaker in my wish list, but I always ignored it. I do get notifications every so often that it's on sale, and I was like, screw it, I'm gonna go for it. So it's 30 bucks right now. However, like I said, it does go on sale often, and I got it for 20 bucks. And for 20 bucks, it has good bass, it's portable, and it's waterproof. I mean, I am truly satisfied with this purchase. Thanks so much for watching. I don't know if that it's because if it's dry, but for me it has fell a couple of times. But the quality of the build is so good, it's sturdy that it could take a hit or two. So don't worry about that.